Hello again, it's Ronnie Gilmer, licensed realtor in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia market, and I'm back with another Maryland down payment assistance program for first-time home buyers. So today we're talking about the GHALP, which is the Gaithersburg Homebuyer Assistance Loan Program. Now, unlike the Maryland Mortgage Program, this particular down payment assistance program is deferred at 0% interest, so you don't have to make any payments as long as you own the property and occupy the property. However, the moment you decide to sell the property, then the money that you used will have to be paid back. Now, the eligible homes for the program can be any existing home or new build. So that includes condos, townhomes, and single family homes, as long as they are within the Gaithersburg city limits. Now, the maximum assistance can be up to $12,000 or $25,000. It all depends on the location of the actual property. So if you come to the Gaithersburg website, and I'll put the link in the description, as you can see here, standard zone is up to $12,000. The opportunity zone is up to $25,000. So if you click here, it'll bring up a map. And if you click on each area, it will show you the maximum down payment assistance amount that they will allow for that area. So for example, if I click here, as you can see, city residents and other priority applicants can receive up to $25,000, not to exceed 10% of sales price. If I click here, as you can see, city residents and other priority applicants can receive up to $12,000, not to exceed 10% of the sales price. Now, not all mortgage lenders have access to this program. They have a list of specific mortgage lenders that are enrolled in this program, and I'll put the link to that list down in the description. Now, after you apply for your mortgage, there's a separate application to apply for this program. And the wait time to get an approval before closing is 3 to 5 weeks. So if you're working with a real estate agent or hopefully myself, then we can put you in your offer that you need additional time to close because you have to get approval from this program in order to get access to the money before your close date. Another requirement with this program is you have to take a home buyer's counseling class, and that class has to be HUD approved. Again, if you're interested in taking the class, I'll put the link to HUD approved first-time home buyers classes down in the description. Now, when it comes to income, your income has to be 100% or less of the median income in the Gaithersburg city limits. And this only applies to first-time home buyers. Now, the city of Gaithersburg defines first-time home buyers as someone that has not owned a home in the last 5 years. You cannot also be on the deed of a home. So for example, if a parent bought a home, let's just say 2 years ago, and they added you to the deed, technically you're not a first-time home buyer. So if you're looking to use that program, you may want to look at the option of having yourself removed from the deed before you move forward. Now, all applicants must have a minimum credit score of 620 or higher. And the last requirement is you must have lived or worked in the city of Gaithersburg for at least 1 year. Again, I hope this information helped. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Again, my information is always at the bottom. You can feel free to call me, text me, fill out the form below, or you can schedule a time for me to reach out to you. I hope this is helpful, and I look forward to seeing you and working with you in the future. Thanks.